Hey guys, Programming Made Easy here, and today we're going to start the first video of our Java tutorial for beginners who have never programmed before. So if that's you, great. If not, and you have some programming experience, I'd probably skip ahead in this series because today we're just going to cover the simple Hello World project and cover console output. So if you're following along with me at home and you're also using the IntelliJ IDE, we're just going to create a new project. Otherwise, create the project in your own IDE and follow along with me from there. So we're going to just make sure that we're on the Java over here and that we have some version of Java selected. I'm using Java 14. Click Next. We're going to create the project from a template. All this template really does is it gives us what's called a main class, and inside of that class, a method, our main method is created. So every project has a main method and main class. So we're going to call this Hello World, and we'll discuss in further detail about classes and methods and all that good stuff in further videos. Right now we're just focused on how to output things to the console, so how people can see what you want them to see. So in Java, there's really only one command that you need to know, and it all starts by us typing system and then .out. And then if we do a dot again, we get all these options here. So there's dot print and then print line. So we're going to use print line in our case. And then you need to put quotes. Now, all of those print functions have uses and we'll cover them in further videos. But in this case, we're just going to be focused on the system.out.println. And so you place your double quotes. Make sure they're double quotes. I believe single quotes work as well, but I just always use doubles. So we're just going to type hello world with an exclamation point. And then make sure you have a semicolon at the end of your line to indicate that the line is over. And then we can just go up to this little play button and you'll see it says run main, and we'll just click it. We'll notice a console is then created at the bottom of our screen and it says hello world. So it's that simple, guys. Really, printing to the screen, show the user something. If you want to get user input, we'll be covering that in the next video along with variables. So stick around for that. If not, congratulations, you just created your first Java program. One more quick thing I would like to let you guys know before going is there's a handy little command to make things print out faster. Or to save you keystrokes, I should say. So if you just type S out and then click tab, it automatically does that whole system.out.println for you. So then and the ending parentheses and semicolon for you. So you just need to put your quotes inside and then you can type something else like that was a handy shortcut. And then if we run this now, we see that my other line was printed directly underneath. Now you guys know how to print stuff to the console. Thank you for watching my video.